Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Sayyid once again. Peace and blessings be upon you all. Today, as you can see, I have DualShock review, which I'm going to do now. It's like, what is DualShock? As the name suggests, you can see DualShock. It's a product by Fergal and Adrian. What exactly is this? It's a video series, video training, where they're going to explain you how to get traffic from Facebook, and it's like a combination of two things. That's what the idea. That's why it's called dual. One is, you can see this picture. You can see it's a messenger bot, Facebook messenger bot, and email together. So both has its own, pros and cons. A messenger has its both. Facebook has its own pros and cons, as well as email has its own pros and cons. Email nowadays, nobody is like, but end of the day, like, although both has a cons, what they have done is such a cool way is to build your list, even though with the both together. That's the idea behind it. Nowadays email has lots of opt-in, like click and open rates. In the open rates are less. With the messenger, the open rates are good. So what he has done is to drive traffic from Facebook, and through messenger bot he's going to get the opt-in, and then from the opt-in he's going to drive it to get their email address, and then then after that it's matter of kind of you drive the traffic to the whatever the affiliate offers you have, and then you can make money out of it. That's the whole concept of DualShock. So let me go through. I'll show you inside the sales page. It's a video training. So this is so once you click the link below, this is where you'll come. This is my bonus page. I'll show you the bonus in a moment. This is where you'll reach. If you press any of these green buttons, it will take you to this sales page. You can see this is the sales page. Brand new simple way to double your list growth and maximize your sales with 100% free traffic. So I have learned a lot from Adrian before. From the other courses I have learned, I myself have learned a lot. He's an expert when it comes into Facebook. Lots of new tactics he explains in that. That's how this as well. This is Adrian and this is Fergal. Both of them are very good in what I mean, like. You can see this, they put the messenger bot here and the email bot together. So it's a combination of messenger and email. You can see this, you can see average open rate of messenger bot is 84. That's an advantage, but the email or open rate is less. But the disadvantage of messenger Facebook is you never know. If you don't follow a simple single term and conditions of Facebook, they're going to shut you down. You might have heard lots of news like my Facebook has been shut down and stuff. So you can't believe in this, and you can't believe in the less open rate. So it's using this, you get the emails and drive like from the Facebook, get the messenger board. Using the messenger board, you can drive the get email addresses, make them to opt in, and then that you get the email address. So once you get the email, it's your own, it's like a resource. It's like a tab. Whenever you want to open the tab, you open it, you drive the traffic, and you can close it. That's what they say. The best thing about email marketing is, although might be the open rates are less, it's like your own traffic. Whenever you want, you can open it, use it, and then close it. That's the idea behind that one. So let's go through what they are telling now. A strategy even top marketers are missing. A simple step-by-step system you only have to set up once to maximize the benefits of both email and messenger bot. How to get more eyes on your offers, increase clicks and conversions, so you effortlessly make more money. Newbie friendly, no paid traffic involved. That's the reason it's going to be organic way to get traffic from Facebook. I have also put together very good bonuses, hacks. When it comes to Facebook, I have lots of cool hacks to give you. I'll show you in a moment. Let me go through the Facebook. I mean, you got the idea, right? DualShock, what exactly it's going to be. So it's a combination. That's what they are in this page. You can see they are going to show you why Facebook also has a disadvantage, and even why email also has a disadvantage. Email marketing is dead, as you say, as many you can have heard, because of that down open rates, So what he has done is, it's a good way to combine both. So how do you get control of this so you still build your email list? You can see this. So it's a combination of messenger bot as well as email to make money. That's the idea behind this exact entire course, DualShock. So let's go through straight to the what's exact the prices and the funnels. because whenever you buy any product, you can, this is the page, yeah. So this is the page you will come in when you click the link below. Once you click any of these green buttons, it will take you to the sales page. So let's the front end price is going to be $14.95. Always I say Voucher Plus and JVZ products, the price increases every day until the 4th, 5th or 7th day launch. So if you like the product, always better to get it on the first day, so you save some money. So what you're going to get on the first front end is, it's a step-by-step video, as I said, how to get free traffic from Facebook and driving the traffic to the messenger bot, and then building your messenger email list. That's the idea behind it, first training. So the second one, OTOs. Always I tell you, OTOs are there to make your life more easier. If you can afford, go for it. If not, you can always come back. If you feel that front end is really worth, you can go back and buy it. I know always Fergal brings out very good products. There's no doubt about his OTOs are going to be good. But still, it's not necessary to buy it straight away. You can always come back and buy it. So that's, you can keep in mind. So let's go through anyway what you're getting on the DualShock Done For You bundle. You're going to get guaranteed approval to promote high affiliate offers. That's the biggest one of the bonus I put together is when I started affiliate marketing, this was the issue. You go into wherever it is, JVZoo, Voucher Plus or any other affiliate networks, you'll be asked lots of questions and they say no, they decline you. So that's where I think this is going to help you. But there's also a way to get approval. I've added a bonus for that. There's also included in here. It says might be they also have lots of products for their own products. That's something they can approve as well. So that is second one is 10x your results with done for you coupon codes, done for you high grabbing voucher images, done for you high engagement Facebook posts. That's important really. Done for you ManyChat follow up. That's ManyChat is the one which they're going to talk inside for the messenger bot. Then for your lead magnets, that's important as well. That's the OTO one for $37. Then OTO 2 is buyer extractor case studies. So they're going to add some case studies. Getting people from Facebook onto a bot is probably the most challenging thing. That's okay. That's sure. That's true actually. So that's something has been explained here. With these 6 buyer extractor case studies, you will get trialed and tested techniques that will easily get buyers from Facebook to bot landing pages. This product is highly recommended for new marketers starting out with Infinite Method. As I say, OTOs are really good to make your life more easier. That's the idea behind it. But it doesn't mean you need to buy straight away. You can always come back and buy it. So that's for $17. The next one is one-on-one coaching. That's really worth $97. Is really damn cheap. When you get one-on-one coaching, it's very rare to get time from these people, it's very hard. That's on coaching for $97. Then this is reseller license, $67 is really a very good bargain, I think, because the reason is normally people sell it for $197. That's the standard price. You get it for $67 reseller rights. You get the entire product as your own, and you can start selling this the entire DualShock product. Then the OTO 5, the last one is done for you buyer bot. The done for you buyer bot is completely automated system that will quickly turn your traffic and leads into buyers and put money in your pocket. So you're going to get 2 completely done for your bot sequence. That could be really a bargain. The reason is you learn from them, but if you don't know how you're going to put the bot sequences, that could be a good one. The second one is done for you bonus review pages. What I've done, this is like a bonus review page. There are lots of softwares as well. I'm not sure what exactly they're explaining inside that. Then also 100% commissions on two top quality digital products. I think they themselves have lots of products. I'm sure they're going to give you 100% commission. That means like full reseller license you're going to get, so that you get the full commission of it. So that's the price range as well as the product itself. Let's go through my bonuses. That's the very good one. The top one, as I said, when it comes to Facebook, there are lots of hacks. This is one of the top hack, I will say. You have a Facebook, you can have up to 5,000 members. I think it's going to change. I heard there's going to be a new change. You can have more, but at the moment it's only 5,000. This hack I learned from a marketer. He's going to explain you how to get buyers. These will be the buyers who might be straight away. You're going to target buyer list. Like buyer, not like email list as such, like buyer members. That once you get them, you can always drive them to the bot and then try to get them the email and stuff. But you have the members directly. This shows how to get them from Facebook. And this is I learned from Brendan. Very good case study. You can say how I made 2,000 in 20 minutes. That's a very good one. Then we have the third bonus. It's a 3 alternative monetization method. I always give this one. This is a very good one because you shouldn't never depend on just one source like Facebook, Instagram. It's always good to have 3 different ranges to get some traffic. So then this is another hack I learned for how to hack the newsfeed algorithm. That's the other one. And this is like a whole, if you're not really into Facebook, this will explain you the whole picture of Facebook ads domination. This is to do with ads, okay? You know that the basic, you can always run ads for $5, $10 and make a big difference in driving traffic. So this is going to help you with that. So this is all the bonus. Since it's going to be with Facebook and bot, I put together bonuses similar to that, because as I always say, products are good. Products like these keep coming every day. So if you keep, I want to be honest with you guys, because these links here, green links, are all affiliate commission links. You're going to click it, I'm going to get commissions. That's for sure. So I should be thankful for that, and I want to give you good bonuses. But I also want to give you some advice. If you're into money making niche, or like this product is going to be like more into affiliate marketing products you're promoting, always remember, I am myself guilty of buying lots of products. Products are always good. There's no doubt about it. These are gonna make your life easier. That's for sure. But if you just keep buying products and if you don't master the traffic, it's gonna be a tough job for you guys in the long run. So always, if you want to master, stick to something. Facebook means Facebook, Instagram, something, master traffic. You should know everything, little bit of everything, but try to be a master in something. If it is YouTube, Facebook. So that, what I would say is 90% is traffic, 10% is the product. Always I say this. Reason is, that's what will make you a big difference. Products are good. It's going to make it easier, some kind of a tactics to get some buyer leads and all those stuff. But, it is, in order to, you need that traffic. This software is going to help you, surely. There's no doubt about it. That's Facebook traffic hack. What he's going to explain you how to get traffic. That's really a massive thing. That itself, for $14, it's a huge learning curve you're going to have, like how to get traffic from Facebook. That's a really good one. There's no doubt about it. So that's what I'm saying, that traffic part is the most important part. That once you know how to get traffic from that, then you can start selling anything to anybody. That's where this, I always say, when it comes to money making online, many people fail. Only reason is simple as that. They just buy products after products after product. I myself am guilty of that. There's no doubt about it. There's nothing wrong, we buy products to learn new tactics and stuff. That's true. There's no doubt about it. But try to, within 6 months, 1 year, you will come to know, you should never quit. You should try to learn that, yes, this is what it is. I need to master something. You will come to know yourself. Within 3 or 6 months, you'll know, okay, YouTube is good for me. Facebook is good for me. This seems to be easier. Stick to it. That's it. Once you know that is good for you, stick to it and keep pushing it. And then once you master traffic, any products, you can even start selling DualShock. You can start selling any products which you have. That's with your own traffic. That's whichever traffic you're going to master. In that traffic sense, this email building buyer list is the topmost. Why, if you see JVZoo or Warrior Plus, people are killing like anything, that's because they have their own tap. You know what I mean? Tap, as I said, they open the tap, lots of buyer, they have the buyer list. They open the traffic, close it. Open the traffic, close it, because they have this buyer list. So once you learn the traffic strategy of anything, it's a matter of building that buyer list. And that is what is the top secret of all these marketers. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So make sure you make use of something, when you buy a product, you make sure you learn the traffic strategy and then make using out of it. So that's it for me, guys.
nothing much. I think I've I've explained you everything. So once you come, click the link below, and you can it will take you to the bonus sales page, and you can buy it from there. I think that's it from me, guys. If you like it, please like, share, comment. Anything in to do with affiliate marketing, please let me know in the comment. Subscribe. It'll be a good bonus for me. That's it from me, guys. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.